Hello, this is Chris Joseph, Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Thursday, August 3rd, 2023, and behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new 2024 Winnebago Vita 24P Class C Motorhome. We're gonna show you the outside, show you the inside, see what you guys think. Well, first of all, I want to say we're in northern Minnesota right now. It is over 80 degrees. It's crazy. Summer. Hey, it's not over yet. We got a long way to go. There's our beautiful building. Here's Highway 53. International Airport about a mile that way. Attached to that building are 24 service bays, and that right there is family owned, not corporate. No games, no bologna and cheese. All right, back to the beautiful Vita. Mercedes, turbo diesel, 6-cylinder, 15 to 17 miles a gallon if you don't get crazy. This one's finished in a beautiful full body paint. Nice LED lit electric awning. We'll go around the opposite way again just to mess everybody up. LP tank there, which we fill. We fill the diesel tank. We provide an orientation. That's all included in our awesome pricing. Full walk-on roof ladder there. You're gonna have a 5,000-pound hitch right there in case you want to pull a little car. 7-prong plug as well. We'll back up a little bit. There's the full wall slide awning there to keep debris off the top. There's your 110 plug there. A little storage there. Here's where you're going to dump your black and gray tank. Let's try that one more time. There we go. Get city water hookup, fresh water fill, cable hookup for part cable cases. You're going to have a little cubby hole right here for whatever you can throw in there. You'll never complain about too much storage. There's no question about that. Looking down below, got storage compartment there. There's your 3600 LP generator. It should run everything in this coach that you want to run. Backing up a little bit, give you more of a panoramic view. Let's take a walk inside. Oh, this is nice too. These are priceless. Look at this, running boards for getting up and in there. Here we go. What's awesome too is there's no carpet even underneath the dinette. That makes to a 6-foot bed. Nice big 12-volt refrigerator. You do have solar on board. Ducted air conditioning, ducted heat. Obviously this whole thing is the slides. This all comes in here. That bed will flip over, so there's not a made-up bed when you're going down the road, but once you open this thing up, you've got a ton of room. Right when you walk in the door, you have battery disconnect switches, awning light switch. Oh, can't forget, automatic leveling. Hit a button, walk away, levels itself. There's your solar charge controller. Battery's got a lot of juice there. Monitor panel tells you levels of your tanks. 0.1 hour on the generator. Probably just tested at the factory. Ready to go. Double sync, which is nice. This coach is about 24 feet 5 inches end to end, so you can almost park in a regular parking spot. Some nice accent lighting there. Got your range top, microwave. This also acts as a backsplash, just like that. Pantry or hanging. Adjustable shelves where you can take them out as well. Same down here. Walk around bed. And that window will open right there next to the bed as well. Got your emergency exit. TV antenna is wired right to there in case you want to put a little bedroom TV there if you'd like. What else we got? Aha! Look at that. Porcelain toilet. Love it. Little medicine cabinet. 12-volt fan there. Even got an AC in the bathroom. Perfect. It's got this door that closes off here. And I will show you with the skylight in here. So, I'm just over 6'2". I'm not coming with, but as you can see, I got plenty of room to get clean in here. Nice and open. This Mercedes chassis is so popular because you can go into the big cities and not feel like you got something huge. Easier to maneuver, turn, park. Both those seats swivel to give for more seating area. We have a nice huge bed up here. If you don't use it for a bed, use it for storage. Put totes up there. Another 12-volt fan right there. A little window there you can open too to get a little breeze in. Comes with the ladder or this bunk up here as well. And going down, there's the brand new Mercedes chassis. Backup camera, of course. Nice and bright in here too. It's nice to use a nice light colors to make it feel more open. But still, with this full wall slide, it definitely opens things up. Once again, this is Chris Yost here at Bullion RV in Duluth. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. I've been here over 20 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. We take trades. Like I mentioned before, we've got an international airport less than a mile right over there. Feel free to fly in. I'll come pick you up. We'll have the unit inside. Pre-delivery inspection will be done. LP will be filled. Diesel tank will be filled. Like I said, that's all included. No games. Bring us your trade. Drive up here. Go back home. This is available. It's here right now. The cheapest I can offer anybody. Give me a call for the best price, whether it's trade or outright. I'll do whatever I can to help. Call me or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. Stay safe. Stay positive. Happy camping. And if you like this video, be sure to click the subscribe button down below so that every time we get something in, you get a brand new video to see what we have to offer. Take care.